When you want to spend even more time in the great outdoors, it's great to have use of the Grand California Awning to offer protection against the baking sun or during light rainfall. But please note, it does not provide all-weather protection in heavy rain or thunderstorms. To open and close the awning, you will need to use the crank handle, which is stored in the upper area behind the rear wing doors. The first step is to insert the crank into the bayonet connection on the end of the awning casing and turn it 90 degrees. Once set, turn the crank to wind the awning out of the retainer until the fabric is under tension. Unfold one awning support from the front trim of the awning by gently pushing the end of the support like so, and carefully guide it down. Take out the second awning support in the same way. Extend the support arms to the desired length or height and secure them in position by folding the locking mechanism upwards. Place the support arms so they are vertical and parallel with each other at the outer edge of the awning. If you're on uneven ground, it might be necessary to secure the legs using the tent pegs stored in the kitchen drawer. To make the most of the awning, 2 camping chairs and a table are stored in the storage pockets in the wing doors at the rear of the vehicle. Should the awning be open when it rains, a pool of water may form in the fabric, in which case you should reduce the length of the rear awning support considerably to allow the rainwater to flow off. When you've finished, simply reverse the opening instructions, so release the awning support legs individually and refold them. Turn the crank in an anti-clockwise direction so that the fabric returns into the awning casing, making sure the awning is fully closed to prevent knocking noises while driving.